Welcome. Let's discuss some of the questions that have been asked in GATE examination for Food Technology 2025. Now note the food technology comes under engineering sciences papers. So you have 8 different subjects and then you have to choose the subject that you want to appear for. The first question talks about which of the following contains phytonutrient allicin. Now allicin is a very classic compound found specifically in garlic. It is known for its organosulfuric smell, and whenever the garlic is chopped or crushed, you would see a specific pungent aroma smell. Now allicin is important because it is known antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Along with that, it is good for heart. It is good as an anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, neuroprotective, anti-Alzheimer's and cardioprotective. So numerous health benefits associated with allicin, which is found in garlic. The next question is, which of the following mold is responsible for blue marbling in blue vein cheese? So the correct answer is Penicillium roqueforti. Now this is a specific mold which gives the blue or green veins and a pungent flavor to the cheese. The cheese which is made because of this includes the Roquefort, Gorgonzola, Danish Blue are some of the cheese varieties. Now the other ones are again important. Rhizopus oryzae is a mold which is used in the production of alcoholic beverages. Aspergillus niger, it is a black mold. It is usually commonly seen for food spoilage, but also it is used in the industrial production for citric acid. Then you have Penicillium camemberti. Now this is responsible for white cheese, specifically the brie and camembert cheese. So those are some of the important varieties. The next is a very interesting question. Now Mycoplasma is of the genus of bacteria and it is known for having no cell wall. Now this is unique because it lacks the cell wall and just has the cell membrane. It has a 3-layered cell membrane, and this makes it resistant to the common antibiotics, which is mainly penicillin, which actually targets on the cell wall synthesis, and therefore Mycoplasma has a very important role, and it is one of the very important things that have been studied in biotechnology as well. The next is, which of the following pigments do not have a pro-vitamin A activity? So be it beta carotene, beta cryptoxanthine or alpha carotene, all of them have pro-vitamin A activity except lycopene. Lycopene is mainly found in watermelon, in tomatoes. It gives that red color, but that red color is not related to the pro-vitamin A activity, but it is actually a pigment which is a acyclic pigment and has no beta iodine rings, which is again very important. So beta carotene has 2 beta ion rings. Beta ion rings are not present in lycopene. 2 of them are present in beta carotene, 1 of them is present in alpha carotene, and then 1 again in beta cryptoxanthin. All of this have provitamin activities, which is that they can convert the compound into retinol, which is vitamin A. Now the next one is, if we want to have the first line of judgment to understand the cleanliness of the spices or the herbs, which of the following test can be done? So acid insoluble ash content is the very simple test that can be done. It simply measures the amount of dirt which is present. So whenever there is high amount of silica from the sand or the soil, there would be a high acid insoluble ash content, and that would be an indicator of the contamination. All the 3 again help us measure the quality and safety parameters, but they have nothing to do with the physical parameters in life. So those are some of the important topics that we have discussed today under GATE Food Technology, one of the topics under GATE Engineering Sciences. To avail the past paper questions and more details, refer the link below. Thanks for joining.